Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo, Nature Lovers and Home Decor. Have you ever looked at a beautiful piece of wood and imagined it transforming into something amazing for your home? Well, today we are diving into the wonderful world of unique woodlock furniture. What make it special? There's something truly special about furniture made from raw wood logs. Each piece is one of a kind, showcasing the natural beauty, textures, and even the story of the trees. If it came from, it brings a touch of the outdoors in creating a cozy, rustic, and often surprisingly modern feels. Plus, it's a fantastic way to incorporate sustainable and natural elements into your living space. The rustic coffee tables. Let's start with a classic, the coffee table. Imagine a thick, polished crossed sections of a large log as your table top, frames with simple metal or smaller log legs. It's sturdy, incredibly unique, and a real conservation starters. You can ever even leave the bark on for a more rugged look or smooth it down for a sleek contemporary feels. Charming slide tables and stools. Next up, think smaller individual log section frames of varying heights make fantastic side tables next to your sofa or bed. They are perfect for holding a cup of tea or a book or a small plant. And don't forget about stools. A simple sturdy log can be topped with a cushion for a charming extra seats or with a just used as a sculpture elements. The statement console or bench. Want to make a statement in your entryway or living room? A long slender log frames with a flat top can transform into a stunning console table or a rustic bench. Imagine the texture and natural imperfection adding characters to your space. You can use multiple logs for a legs or even integrate some reclaimed metal or for an industrial dash. Creative shelving units. Who says shelvings have to be boring? Consider using fronted log sections as unique shelves. You can mount them directly to the wall with hidden brackets or create an open shelving units using smaller logs as vertical supports. This adds incredibly visual interest and a natural warmth to any room. Cozy bed frames and headboards for the ultimate rustic bedrooms. How about a bed frame or headboard made from logs? Picture a sturdy frame constructed from large logs or a beautiful headboard created from carefully arranged smaller branches or log slices. It creates a natural perfect for a good night's sleeps. And these ideas are not just for out indoors. Wood log furniture is incredibly durable and perfect for your outdoor spaces. Think about a log picnic table, sturdy log branches, about a fire pit, or even unique plant log planters. They blend seamlessly with nature, will stand up to the element for a year to come. From passion to perfect making money. Now here's the exciting part, you can actually make money, so don't forget